the week 4 vlog of NextGen. This week the team has worked very hard. Firstly, we had a client meeting to troubleshoot some of our problems in the design. After that, we came up with a SketchUp model of the plant, and we've worked very hard this week to compile the report and the poster for the deadlines on Thursday and Friday. So TK, how have you found the project over the last 4 weeks?
I find it really interesting, mainly because of how complex it looks at the beginning and how with the right tools and categorization over the work makes it so much more simple and interesting over these weeks. So during the start there are so many information available, there are so many technologies available, and it looks impossible to come up with a set of technologies that is viable. However, with the right tool, guidance and research, things look progressively clear throughout the weeks, and I think that's the biggest takeaway from this project, is to knowing that with the right tool, mindset and problem solving skills, it's possible to dissect complicated issues to one that is solvable.
So Yihan, what's been your favorite part of the project so far?
Definitely sugar, because you not just only get the profit, but also extract the limited nutrient source from wastewater.
Bobo, what's been your favorite part of the project?
My favorite parts of the project is making the mass balances, because I don't have to do any more research.
So Victor, what's been your biggest takeaway on the project?
So my biggest takeaway for the project is I think I get to know myself a bit more and get to know the people in my team and how to work effectively as a group, and also finding out more about myself, that I really have a lot of interest in shaping next generation technologies, and knowing that I'm the sort of visionary person that would like to contribute towards the better future.
Now, what do you think is the most important skill you've learned during the project?
During the project, I'd say the most important skills actually I've learned is teamwork and communication. Through working with a diverse range of people from the course with different inputs, we managed to learn a lot of things.
How about technical?
Technical as well. I mean, our
Charles, what's been your favorite part of this whole experience?
Several things. I think that if I were to choose one favorite part, it would be the getting to see actually how things work in practice. Visiting Reading and going to see a real-time wastewater treatment plant, I think was a very rewarding experience, and I think it was pretty much it.
So Falabi, may I know what's your biggest takeaway from this project?
My biggest takeaway from this project, I would say, in conjunction with managing people well and dealing with different personalities, has to be taking a project with such a huge scope and simplifying it, or getting result out of a broad kind of brief, because the whole multi-criteria analysis, sensitivity analysis, that was very insightful as to how things are actually done in industry and how you can break down such a huge problem into bits and to get a solution. Katia, what's been your most memorable experience of the project?
Most probably our site visit at the Reading sewage plant.
And your biggest takeaway?
My biggest takeaway? Learning how to use SketchUp and having a better understanding of how wastewater works.